Okay, another video. I've removed the fuel tank which is bolted to those four over there, 4 holes, and I used to have problems with it backsplashing when you filled it, so I found the vent is up here, and it is, hopefully I can show you, up there. I'll pull it out now. You can see my hand going up here and there. There's this thing which plugs from the outside behind the tire. There's a little filter inside. I washed the filter with diesel and I dried it and pushed the rubber back on. So I'm pushing it back on the filter housing here. And I attached this hose. I'm gonna suck and blow to see if it works now. You should hear something. This is the ventilation for the tank. Needs to work. There's no carbon canister. This is an old diesel. And as you can see, the chassis, I showed this more than once. The chassis goes all the way to the front. And the gearbox is hanging off there. It's front wheel drive. There's no rust under here. With a solid axle. I'll turn the phone around. This vehicle is heavy duty. Okay, thank you.